nagsasalita na si Alice Go. Tingnan natin, ha? Hello everyone.
Tanggalin yung kanyang mask na
Tanggalin mo yung face mask mo. Okay. May development kasi, so before tayo mag-review ng Bold, tingnan natin si Alice Go. May live stream ngayon ang GMA, so react tayo in live, di ba? Ba't kayo nagsa-selfie? Parang niyayarakan nyo yung batas eh. What do you got to say for yourself, di ba? Oo. Okay, background check. Ganda ng Starbucks bag ni Alice Go. Ganda ng Starbucks, oh. Okay. Ba't madaling araw nyo inuwi si Alice Go? Buti naman, yung mga night shift tulad ko, mapapanood na yun ng development, diba? Oh. Okay, walang video signal, nawalan. Okay, ayun, tuloy na. Okay. Yung cameraman daw malikot. Upo ka daw. Lumugar ka, sabi ng pulis. Okay, Starbucks na pag ni Alice Go. Pasyonista pa rin eh. Naka CIDG detainee na tapos nakaganyan pa rin. On natin yung aircon. Oh. Mga nakangiti pa eh. Ginawang celebrity si Alice Go eh. Kasi ngayon nakatalikod na. Ayaw naman na umarap. Nung sa Indonesia, harap na harap eh, no? Dito nahihiya. So naghahanap daw sila ng human rights kasi ayaw nila yurakan or something. Gumanda siya eh, no? Nung hinuhuli, ang pangit eh. Ano ba yung ano? Ito diba trapper? US 3 so 2 stars lang kasi puro tirahan lang to eh. Ayun. Sige, habang nanonood tayo ng habang hindi ko maintindihan yung review na natin ang Trapple by Viva Max. So it's Friday and you know what that means. It's now time for our Bold review dito sa Friday sa Viva Max only on Harriet. And today we are going to take a look while we have Alice Go in the background is the latest Viva Max movie, Trapple. Ayan. Lagay na lang kaya natin sa sa gilid yung para di tayo ma-distract. Ayan. So Trapple is the latest Viva Max original and it stars Sara Bernales, Audrey Avila and Aaron Carmelo. So basically, itong tatlo na to, sila yung Trapple, okay? Trapple meaning a couple pero 3. Kaya 3 plus couple is Trapple. Ayun. And this is really gratuitous. It is really sex heavy. And the fact na medyo you like 80% of the movie is just either a threesome between these three or a threesome with the other woman, Ara Alonso, or just Audrey and Sahara uh, forking each other. Scissor me, daddy ours, di ba? Yun yung ano, analysis ko. Yun yung masasabi ko. Na pag inalis mo yung mga sexual scenes dito sa pelikula na to, you won't even get any story. Okay, so ang role dito ni Aaron Carmelo is Juancho. He is a deceased cook. Suot-suot pa ni Aaron Carmelo yung damit niya, yung costume niya sa Cheaters. Oy, alam ko yan. Yan yung chef costume mo sa Cheaters. Okay? So suot-suot niya to and he died. He got off-screened. And as a coping mechanism, naghahanap itong si Hana, played by Sahara, and Isai, played by Audrey, a new found boyfriend or girlfriend to satisfy their triple needs. And what happened is hindi na satisfy kasi di irreplaceable ito si Juancho. Kakaiba si Juancho, di ba? And yung at dito sila nagkaroon ng sigalot na parang they need to split up their coping mechanism on the loss of the death of Juancho. It is really evident here that Isai, Audrey Aveda's character, is hiding the fact na nagluluksa siya. She is trying to smile. At itong si Sahara Bernales, siya naman is more on expressive. Siya yung umiiyak, humakagulgol, when they had a threesome with a random stranger na nanalo sa kanilang paghanap ng kapalit ni Juancho, hindi kaya ni Sahara Bernales na palitan si Juancho. And because of this happening, they decide to break up. And this is when Hana found someone named Dawn, who is a waitress or like parang sous chef sa restaurant ni Juancho, who is a lesbian, who is a tomboy. And they started to have a relationship with each other. Gulat itong si Isai na may nahanap itong si Hana na parang kapalit, and she tries to hide her jealousy by getting to know Dawn a little bit more. And what happened is that when it comes to the circumstances is nainis itong si Hana, and she got in on Isai, and nalaman natin na yun nga, tinatago lahat ni Isai ang kanyang pagluluksa. She doesn't, and this is when she grieved heavily on Juancho's death after they do that threesome with each other. Si Dawn, si Hana, and si Isai nag-threesome sila, and then suddenly it stopped because Hana got angry because Isai was touching her girlfriend very sensually, to the point na it's like crossing the limit. Over, ano yun? Cross the line, di ba? We got a time skip 1 year later, and we got one of the longest threesomes that I've seen in Viva Max that I failed to get any attention to. It just drags on forever. And with the fact na nagluluksa, bumalik sila sa view or sa crematorium, and then the movie ends with Hana leaving Isai mourning for Juancho during their like 1 year death anniversary, and Hana and Dawn getting together. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Simple lang yung kwento. Di ba ka-movie yung isa, pinipilit move on yung isa. At nag-collapse yung isa emotionally, while the other one has successfully let go of the past. So, this is Trapol. Okay, let's go to our tier list ranking for Trapol. Balik tayo sa GMA 7 for any development sa kaso ni Alicia Go. Ito mukhang action star si Abalos eh. Okay, for this tier list, I will be giving. Actually, the first threesome was good. It is accompanied by a song called "Make It Right" but make it right. I kind of dig the song, but that's about. I think the movie just peaked there, and it all went downhill from there. So I'm just gonna give Trouble a copium tier. Yeah, since nagko-cope naman sila. 'Di ba? It's like their coping mechanism naman. Yeah, Trouble is a copium. I expected more kasi Audrey Avila to, 'di ba? Yeah. So next Friday, you know what that means. We will be getting another review. It's Uhaw starring Angelica and Atasca. So look out for that. And believe I'm going to anticipate that review dito sa channel. We are reaching 8,000 subscribers. Sa mga hindi pa nagsusubscribe, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, and go for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max, only on Harriet. This is your boy, the God Gamer himself, telling you, nod muna tayo ng alis go. Nakatalikod ka pa rin! Ayan. Sige, tingnan muna tayo.
Kaya yung hinahapon namin kasi sabi ng Indonesia National Police, wala silang jurisdiction kasi wala naman talagang criminal case. So what happened, inaabot ko namin and at least kahit
Nagsasalita pa ng avatar ko. Dapat kasi minumute ko dito sa Discord. Ang ganda ng Starbucks ano niya eh, no? Eh, saan galing yan? Sa Indonesia? Ano? Why is she even allowed carrying that? Yung so yun. Huh. Sige ka, tagal nila nag-uusap ha. Ano pinag-uusapan nyo? Kape? Hmm. Sige, stop na natin yung recording. Pwede na to. 12 minutes na eh, no? 12:50. Yeah. Okay, thank you.